Welcome to the video on managing conflict during problem-solving discussions. After watching this video, you will be able to analyze the root causes of conflicts in a business environment, apply best practices to manage conflicts during problem-solving discussions, and evaluate how product owners can use Scrum ceremonies to prevent and address conflicts. Managing conflicts during team discussions is crucial for your product success. These challenging conversations shape better outcomes for your team. Conflicts arise when team members disagree and lack shared goals. In business environments, 8 main triggers are inadequate communication, multiple values and beliefs, divergent interests, different personalities, unclear boundaries, limited resources, changing environment, and lack of performance. Let's look at each one in detail. Inadequate communication creates unclear expectations and blocks open dialogue. Teams need help with messages frequency, duration, and content, leaving no room for feedback and leading to differing interpretations. Multiple values and beliefs emerge from diverse backgrounds and cultures. These differences set the context for understanding and communication, and when left unmanaged, lead to conflict. Divergent interests surface when team members compete for limited resources or have conflicting goals. Performance incentives can create competing priorities even when project goals are clear and understood. Different personalities bring varying work styles, attitudes, and behaviors. While some team members work well together, others may clash, creating friction in daily interaction. Unclear boundaries create tension when roles and responsibilities overlap or lack definition, leading to confusion and territorial disputes. Limited resources force teams to compete for time, money, and personnel. When resources are shared across projects, teams need help to meet timelines, creating conflicts both within and outside the team. Changing environments introduce uncertainty as organizations evolve. These changes affect processes, tools, methods, requirements, and support systems, leading to instability and tension. Lack of performance frustrates teams when members operate at different skill levels or work ethics. High-performing team members often become discouraged when they perceive others need to contribute equally. Understanding these 8 causes of conflict helps you identify potential issues early. As a product owner, recognizing these triggers allows you to manage team dynamics and maintain productive discussions proactively. Effective management strategies transform challenges into opportunities in any team environment. These 10 practices will help you manage conflict, fostering open communication, practicing active listening, staying objective, using mediation, setting clear ground rules, seeking collaborative solutions, following up, training team members, promoting positive culture and appropriate escalation. Foster open communication by encouraging all team members to share thoughts and ideas. Create a dedicated space for each person to contribute and ensure others actively listen. Practice active listening to understand all viewpoints fully. Listen attentively the first time and clarify your understanding immediately when needed. Stay objective by focusing on the process, content, and message, not the person. This direct approach maintains impartiality and drives productive discussions. Use mediation when you cannot maintain impartiality. A neutral third party helps teams reach a compromise or consensus. Set clear ground rules to establish specific processes and define structures and content guidelines. Create a strong framework for all discussions. Seek collaborative solutions by incorporating team ideas while clearly communicating which suggestions fit the current situation or circumstance. Monitor solutions actively to ensure they work as agreed. Bring the team together to refine approaches when needed. Train all team members to manage conflict efficiently and effectively. Give them the knowledge and tools they need. Create a positive work culture that promotes collaboration and fosters respect and trust. Build an environment where teams work together effectively. Escalate issues to upper management or sponsors only as a last resort when teams cannot resolve conflicts internally. Transform your team's performance by implementing these practices consistently. Scrum ceremonies create natural opportunities for product owners to manage conflicts effectively. Let's explore how to use 5 key ceremonies: kickoff ceremony, daily scrum, retrospectives and sprint reviews, sprint planning, and ongoing communications. Leverage the kickoff ceremony to establish strong foundations. Set clear boundaries, define project goals, and create standard working rules. Clarify each team member's role, background, and expectations. This early alignment prevents future conflicts. Partner with the Scrum Master during daily scrums to give every team member a voice. Address blockers collaboratively, identify issues early, and schedule additional discussion time outside the ceremony when needed. Transform retrospectives and sprint reviews into evaluation platforms. Examine team operations, assess how members work together, and analyze conflict management effectiveness. Use these sessions to improve team dynamics continuously. Drive sprint planning to align expectations and goals. Collaborate with the Scrum Master to set both realistic and stretch goals. Encourage active listening, facilitate open discussion, and immediately resolve conflicts about priorities or capacity. Extend communication beyond agile ceremonies. Build strong relationships with team members, stakeholders, end users, and customers. Create a positive culture that promptly addresses conflicts within and outside the team. Transform your product development process using these Scrum ceremonies strategically. In this video, you learned about the common causes of conflict in business environments. Apply these 10 best practices to manage conflicts effectively. Scrum ceremonies provide structured opportunities for product owners to manage conflicts.